Here we have a 1966 Montesa 250cc Texas Scorpion. It's quite a rare beastie with only 2,410 ever made. The Texas Scorpion was an enduro bike, and from the factory it would have looked like this. This one does need work, but it's pretty complete and would make a really great project. The major pieces I've identified that are missing are the right hand side engine cover, the kickstart and the gear selector, so not much really. I've had it turning over and I've borrowed a gear selector off another bike and I've had it selecting the gears. Other than being a bit weathered, it's in pretty decent condition. The front forks are a little rusty, but the front wheel with its lovely shouldered Acron rim is really nice. The hub is in perfect condition. The front fender is decent and the headlight is intact too, which is amazing. That front vented drum is a thing of beauty. There has obviously been a problem with the tank. So someone has cut a section out of it and started to weld it back together. I think it is salvageable. The engine cases, the head and the barrel all look perfect. It's the genuine exhaust. There's a tag attached to it which says King Scorpion. The King Scorpion was a later model, so I'm not sure why that tag's there. Again, the rear wheel and all the hardware is present and looks in great restorable condition. The engine and frame numbers are matching and all intact. And it still has, amazingly, the original rear speedo drive on it. And that chain is a work of art. I love how someone has taken the time to build the chain from individual links, locking them together with split pins. Beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. The odometer is showing just over 2,750 miles. Judging by the lack of wear and how original it all seems, I would think that that's right. I'll leave you with a few general shots of the bike. There is no paperwork with the bike, so you'll need to register it yourself if you want it registered. So there we have it, a lovely project 1966 Montesa 250 Texas Scorpion. Any questions, feel free to contact me on 01772 394 150 or email matt@phoenixmotos.com. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe or follow me.